guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Gemini Lover, and today we're doing another mukbang. And sorry if you hear music, I'm in my break room. And let me fix that. Sorry about that, guys. I had to fix that angle so you can see my food. Today I'm having, it's really good. I love it. I am having Chang spicy Szechuan chicken. It's spicy. It has lo mein noodles, chicken breasts, mushrooms, red bell peppers, scallions, and sesame seeds with a Szechuan style mala sauce. So it's really good. I love these things. I'm drinking an Everfresh in the flavor cranberry strawberry. It's really good. You guys should check that out. Put that in my Starbucks cup. Thumbnail. Happy Friday, guys. I hope you guys are doing great. We made it to the weekend. Look at that. Doesn't that look so good? So, I'm going to just get started eating because I'm really hungry. And I think it's better if I do it this way. And let me give you a quick of all the food that's in there. It's a pretty good size. Serving size. And how have you guys been doing today? I really missed you guys. So I definitely wanted to come back with some more content. And, ooh, I'm going to allow you guys to have the first bite. Yum. There's so many different flavors. And it's really good. Comment down below if you ever tried the Chang's home menu. It's really good. Actually, I should put that right there so you can see it. I hope you guys are having a great Friday, and I hope you're going to have a great weekend. Comment down below what you guys doing this weekend. I have to work this weekend. So, that's what I'll be doing. But, tomorrow the fight is coming on. That's so good. The fight is coming on. So, me and Backk are going to watch that over some friend's house. So, that should be fun. So that's what I'll be doing. And then Sunday, I have to work. So I'll probably just cook some Sunday dinner when I get home. Sorry about that, guys. I had to give me some hot sauce because y'all know I like the spice. Comment down below if you guys love spicy food like me. Also, if you guys are new here, welcome to my channel. Welcome to the Lovely Gems fam. My lovely gems. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. And I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers, guys. So, if you guys been debating on whether to subscribe to me, subscribe if you like me. This is so good, though. I'm not gonna make this video too long. Now I taste the spices. It's very good. And it has sesame seeds and chicken and red peppers. And I finally got my hair wrapping lotion, the foaming lotion, loose, so I can do my wet sad. But I'm gonna do it. The first time I do it, I'm not gonna record it because I want to make sure that I'm doing it right. And then once I do that, I'll show you guys how it looks, and then I'll come back with the tutorial video on how to do that. I try to make my channel versatile. Oh my god, this is so good, y'all.
Lane, please down 30. Lane, please down 30.
Sorry about that, guys. I told you I was at work. Last couple bites, I need some hot sauce. Although it is spicy, it's just so much better when it's really spicy. I love spicy food, so if you guys, I'm sorry, I was being greedy, y'all. So good. This is so good that next time I go to PF Chang's, I probably just order this instead of the orange chicken. I hope the lighting is good. Hope you guys can see me. But I'm so happy that I'm back on camera with you guys. Because I be missing y'all. I be feeling like, oh, I can record right now. I'm gonna start doing vlogs too, but I just gotta learn how to hold the camera right. Oh my gosh, it's so good. This is so good. I'm gonna give you some with some chicken and all the peppers. So good, y'all. I'm sorry, y'all. The TV is on and two beds are fighting. I don't know what they show on TV anymore. Again, my juice is cranberry strawberry by Everfresh. Really good. Oh my gosh. This is so good. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. I'm mad it's gone, y'all. That's how good it is. And I really don't like microwave food. But this is good. It tastes really fresh. They did that. Chang did that. Oh my god. Y'all, that is so good. I'm mad it's gone. Comment down below what's your favorite thing to get from PF Chang's, or if you even ever tried PF Chang's. So comment down below if you ever had PF Chang's. Ooh, excuse me. And if you had PF Chang's, what do you get? Because I always get the same thing, which is lunch chicken. But the last time I went, it wasn't that good, so I was kind of mad. I was kind of mad, y'all. This looks like a lie. I know y'all can't see me, but this looks like a lie. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend and be safe and have lots of fun. If you just in the house resting, that's okay too, because it ain't nothing like getting some good old sleep. Ain't nothing like getting some good old sleep, y'all. Especially when you've been working all week, child. So, it's cleanup time, y'all. And my hair, it's just half up. I've been wearing my hair like this for the last 2 weeks. I just been twisting the back up. No product, just water. Because it has product in it. I haven't washed my hair since I did my wash and go. So, it's no product in it really. It's just so. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you made it here, thank you so much for watching. If you new here, don't be shy. Comment down below if you're new. Welcome to the family. Welcome back, my OGs. And don't forget to hit that comment button. That like button, subscribe button, comment down below, share this video so we can get this channel, my channel, to 100 subscribers, please. you guys, I'm sorry, I got sidetracked. But I want to thank you guys so much for your support. And I hope everybody has a great weekend. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Peace.